Myself Anusha.
Myself Rekha.
My name is Niteshriam. I am studying in 9th standard B section. Our school name is Government PU College, Madiwala. We are our team name is Shakuntala Devi team, and our project is gas detector sensor. This is Arduino Uno board. Arduino Uno is low cost and easy to use in every programmable device. It has 14 input and output input pins. This It has a digital pin known as PWM pin, and it has 6 analog pins. Um, um, it um, it contains everything needed to support microcontroller, and this is a gas detector sensor MQ2, and we have substituted this battery of 9 volts, and we have connected it to this software, and these are jumper wires. It has connected to male to female, and this is for this also. This is 3 to GND, and this is GND to AO, and this is AO to AD, and this is GND to GND, and this is 5E to VCC. So this has